Go.
Good afternoon, everyone. Have you ever heard this ship Dory? Yes? So this is prawn ship. This means, prawn. So Dory gene was not as the parents, yellow parent gene. This means Dory gene and the parents gene didn't connect each other. So as developing new technology, the time the human can make human themselves is almost coming. Today I'm going to talk about iPS cell. Have you ever heard this cell? Yes, this is really special cell made from human skin. I have three main points. The first point is basic information about this iPS cell. The next is problem about iPS cell. The last one is future possibility of this cell. First of all, talk about iPS cell. I have two subpoints. What is iPS cell and also history? So the first of all, iPS cell. The main aim of iPS cell is making new organ by human hand. The researcher found the 4 special genes from human skin. So then they mix the 4 genes, then make this iPS cell. The reason why they have to make this iPS cell means the human does not have the totipotency cell. This is the ability of making new cell or tissue by themselves. For example, the lizard. So every cell in the lizard have this totipotency cell in the lizard. So even if they are cut the tail, they can make the new tail by themselves. Next, I talk about history. In 1981, the researcher found ES cell. The iPS cell is based on this ES cell. It is former form, this iPS cell. In 2007, this Japanese Shinya Yamanaka found and could make iPS cell from human skin. In 2008, they established iPS cell institution at the University of Kyoto in Japan. In 2012, he got Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. Because of Dory's success, the iPS cell became more famous in the world. Now you understand what is iPS cell. So next I talk about the problem of iPS cell. I have 2 subpoints. Physical problem and ethics. In physical problem, 1 of 4 genes have big connection with cancer. This means that if someone makes new organ from on skin, however, the patient still has the possibility to become cancer. According to some researchers, 40% of test mouse become cancer because of new organ. So the researcher tried to make new iPS cell without this specific gene. However, it is still difficult to make new iPS cell. Next problem is about ethics. As I said, iPS cell has big connection with ES cell project. This ES cell project has big problem because if researchers try to get ES cell, they have to use human egg cell. This means around here. So someone think the researcher might kill the human or baby before he born. And also, if this project becomes a success, the human can create human himself. So someone think, can people think that people make human by themselves or not? It is based on own ethics, so it is a very controversial issue, this project. So although this IP cells, they have difficulties. However, the researchers still keep on this project because this IP cell has big possibility to improve our life. So next, I talk about future possibility this IP cell. I have 2 points, organ transportation and about medicine. Nowadays, the organ transportation and the bank of organ is really popular in the world. Do you know organ transportation? Yeah. However, the patient have to wait the new coming new organ, and it will take cost. However, if someone use this IP cell, they don't have to wait the new organ anymore because they can make own organ by themselves. And also, next, some researchers try to sell the new medicine. They have to test before selling. However, some specific medicine have to do tests by using human itself. However, if they use IP cell, they don't have to use human body as a test, and also it is less time and cost. The process is this. First of all, they make a part of human organ, the small part of human organ first, then they test new medicine. That's it. It can cost them time, and it is really effective. And also, so in sum up, I talk about 3 main points. The first, the basic information about IEP cell. The next, the program about IEP cell and future possibility. IEP cell is a special cell made by human skin, especially human skin, because it is easy to get cell, the 4 specific gene. However, it still have difficulties about physical, such as becoming cancer, and also ethics, whether human can create human themselves or not. But IP cell is really important cell. So because many patients don't have to wait new organ, and also it is good for making new medicine. Although it has been programmed about this cell, what the new technology make a human itself is almost coming like from ship. I said dolly. I hope this IEP cell make more success and help to recover the patient that who has big disease, something cancer or something about heart disease. This is the URL I use. Thank you for listening.